This video recipe is for bacon hamburgers. First, we have 5 pounds of ground chuck. To it, we're adding 1 pack of microwave bacon that I cut in little pieces and then put it in the microwave for 2 minutes so it's nice and crispy. Add that to it. Then I have 2 tablespoons of chopped onion that I added water to hydrate them again. It's 2 tablespoons of onion. Then we'll put a teaspoon of parsley, a teaspoon of regular black pepper, and a teaspoon of salt. Then we're going to mix this all together and then make our patties. We have our oven preheated at 365. And we'll cook them for about 50 minutes. Make it thin or as thick as you want. Mine's usually about like that. And you just put them on your lined cookie sheet. Just keep doing that till you get all your patties done. Our bacon burgers are all pattied up. They're ready to go in the oven. Again, we're cooking them at 365 for 50 minutes or until brown and done in the middle. Once the burgers are done, I took them out of the pan that they had grease in, and then I'm adding some eggs to it. We're going to put it back in the oven for 15 minutes till the eggs are done. Then we'll put the eggs on top of the burgers and make our sandwiches. After about 10 minutes in the oven, our eggs and burgers are finally done. You just assemble it. You have a bun, put the burger down, piece of cheese, and one of your eggs. And there you have bacon, egg, and cheese burger. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Hope you like the recipe for bacon, egg, and cheeseburgers.